For this Naija, every day na bet oh. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat oh. Inside shop, we go giss, we go vex oh. But we go still laugh, forget the stress oh. For this Naija, everybody get their own matter. For this Naija, we dey bet you hope say tomorrow better. Baba talk say fuel don't rise again. Mama shout, now who go pay the rent? Them promise change, we still dey wait, but we go still bet on government. Chelsea lose, Arsenal draw, Bronson break phone, say it don't tire, but before you hey, I don't need to, you know the way.
Make if you say they run, na me no be say na me they run come meet. They run, they go outside.
You get problem.
They run, they go outside.
You like
Chike, don't they run to me? No run to me, oh. Run, they go outside.
See, your problem don't need too much for this compound.
You know everything they say Chike do. You want to come and run and meet me? You know they say Chike they sleep with person wife.
Tell me something.
Yes. Say Chike they sleep with person wife. Now you want come to run and meet me. Run the go outside, no run meet me, oh.
Wait, the same Chike?
Chike, yes. Oh, Chike. Sleep with Frankie Guinea. Who want to be a millionaire? Yes. Sleep with your wife. Wait till they here now.
Chike is just a
Chike don't get both for body. You don't get both for body. They sleep with me. I don't believe that thing, sha.
That's not spiritual.
I know, pastor. I don't follow it all spiritual. That be spiritual. That one, that be spiritual something. Nah, character. Now they say they sleep with us. Yeah,
that's like they pound person wife like that.
I don't believe you say this Frank Edo self. Say whether say you don't divorce two wife before this one.
The man not married before.
Yeah, yes now. You don't divorce now. Now which I hear be that.
Hey, I'm not chicken now. Now chicken now. I can't go use come out. I'm not from carrying wife come out.
Yes, so.
I don't believe the chicken go do that.
Now women don't really know what they want.
Which one women don't really know what they want. One that they always any small thing will happen. I go there they tackle woman.
Women know
why now? Why now? One that they always tackle any small thing. Women. Woman. Una sent.
Yes now.
In the mozi na be na they go na be sent. Now I go just like this. They be a garment.
I don't carry rich. I yarn you this story. He get one man they call Mr. Ugo.
Who be Mr. Ugo again?
Wait now, I never land now. Everybody they what? Calm down. I dey call for you. I get your time today. Now that man, he don't already. He use it like he had no money. He work for the money. He buy this man motor. He build app for her. This man still cheat on this man.
App. He build. What is he build?
He build app for her.
App.
Yes.
Wait, she no be that same guy wey carry your wife go UK.
Very good. Now him.
Maybe see.
Talk now. Say women don't really know what they want.
Talk. Judgment.
They don't really know what they want.
Judgmental people talk. You know what the man do? You know, no go talk. Say, what did the man do? Maybe the man don't do this or maybe the man don't. Now woman. See. Now woman na go talk. Now woman. You know whether you don't give him attention. Yes. Maybe you don't give him attention. Maybe you don't give him anything you want. Now make the woman go meet another person.
Same person go to say man. Say I don't want attention. It's money.
Money come.
So this is a fight for attention now.
Yes, it's a fight. Let me take you back to the time of Adam and Eve. When Eve there on the when Adam no go give her attention, so serpent see him give her apple chop. If they say Adam they give her attention, serpent go sit there and give her apple chop.
Now it's the man's fault.
Who give Adam fruit? Who give Adam fruit? Eve.
Maybe she there alone. If they say Adam they spend time with him, they give him full quality attention. Serpent go sit there and give her apple.
Just leave the story of Adam and Eve, and that doesn't stop.
No, when they talk, say everything a woman. That man not give me wife attention. I make it.
It's enough reason for her to cheat.
Everything that man don't do for that woman.
Yes.
That man still cheat on her.
Which one be after everything? You know what the woman don't do too? Woman no they do anything for. Every time women no they do anything for now only that they do something. Every time only that they do something.
But they are picking go.
They are picking.
Okay, they want born.
They don't born.
I don't know the story like this, like the story of that child that is don't do another thing like that.
I think we just pray for the kid.
Make nothing do.
Yes, let's pray for him.
But me I no like anything cheating. They do me somehow for body.
With prayers, all things are possible now.
Wait, see that woman, I want make you face Sam. I should not come back to Nigeria like this now.
You go back. The woman go back again now. You go back again, get money.
Where did they deport you from?
You go get money now. Before it is every time now only man they get money.
I can't boss do something. That man, you need to save him. Na gay students.
Which gay student? Now she go get money now. She go get money from the
that second and they don't deport her, they don't put her come back.
Go get money now. She go still go back.
Hey, they play.
Yes.
Make her tell something. Notice save her. You know why she even come Nigeria? If she come Nigeria, she will just come empty. You know why?
Then it's coming to save it.
Anything.
They don't time bring up.
Paul, I'm the same guy.
No concern, go still get money. You go get business. You go. If Papa go get money, every time I go, they look woman like say woman no get money. Woman is broke. Women are this. Now marriage they bring women up. Now marriage we women source of income. Now man we women source of income. It is say the woman no get money. Say you build that up.
And then my professor will always talk. Go and work for your money.
Work for the woman is not working for her money. Do every time. Why now they always see woman like say the women are always broke in marriage? Why? You know, yeah, they direct that question to you. Maybe your fellow man they carry person go UK. Get students. Get students. Your fellow man they carry woman they go UK. You don't go the next Abuja self. Abuja go far. Lekki where they you don't go. You gotta like him, boss. You don't go like it before. You don't go. Answer me. You don't go like it before. They claim get student for this company. Person no go hear what for this year. Get student. But if they run to me, make I give you rice. You are running to me. I mean, they feed you for here. And it's what when body you go, they come and make they give you rice, make chop from my house. Then they judge me. Women are this, women are that. Anyways, go and bring plates. Let me give you the small rice that I have here. Longer throat. Go bring plates. If you touch me here, go bring plate. Come, if I go change my mind now. Nonsense. Longer. They support man.
And there you go, yeah, government gist. We go laugh, we go shout, we go argue tire, but Niger go still they inspire. For this Niger, we go still they bend for better wala. For this Niger, laughter go cure our balava.